Hello, my dear student. This is week 7. In this week, our experiment, we do the experiment study of a WEIN bridge oscillator circuit. This is the objective to assemble WEIN bridge oscillator circuit and calculation of oscillator frequency and its verification from the observed output. This is our objective. But for uh, now we are doing the simulator with the simulator software. That's why only the simulation figure is the main objective. This is equipment in real experiment, and this is the theory. You have to write the experiment name and theory. Then you have to draw the circuit with your own hand. Then we will do the experiment. Most of many students don't provide me the cover page. Why they don't provide me the cover page? They are just copying the same handwriting. They don't provide me the cover page, so that I cannot identify their name. That's why they don't provide me the cover page. It is very pathetic. They are trying to sit with me. However, in this issue, we will talk in the Zoom meeting in this week. Now we are doing the experiment 7, this circuit. So go to the Proteus software. Correct. Create a symmetric form. Next. We need 7 1 and cell register, and we need another type of register, variable register. So from here select the register, and from here you will find the variable. Here you will find at the end port AG. We need this on, and we also need capacitor. This is a different type of capacitor. In our previous experiment, we use I use this capacitor, but only cap, writing the cap. But maybe that is the main problem. But you have to take capacitor, different type of capacitor for the oscillator circuit. The capacitor, and go to the generic, and take real capacitor model. And this capacitor, if I take this capacitor in previous experiment, hopefully I will find the desired result. But whatever, past is past. Now we are doing this experiment. Just zoom out, see the figure. Positive terminal, that is a capacitor, there is a resistor, and also have a capacitor resistor in parallel, and they are in series. Take a capacitor and here resistor, just connect this, and it will connect it. to the output terminal. Here also register and capacitor in parallel, connected here. This is the upper part, but here we need to ground. Take a ground. Like this. And this from here is connected to the terminal 3. Here it is connected to the terminal 3. And the terminal 2, there is a resistor, and this is a variable resistor. Here another resistor, here and connect one here, and this connected to it here, and not be ground. This thing. Now we have to give the biasing. L. Take Y mirror, ground this biasing. Is to work 15 volt. Biasing voltage here is 15 volt. And also, and capacitor is 1 also 1 nanofarad, 1 nanofarad, and this is a variable resistor, value is 1k. We will optimize this 1k approximately 85, 90, around 88, 90%. This is your complete circuit. We have to see the output, whether it is working as an oscillator or not. If it give the uh, uh, sine wave output or similarly to the sine wave, then it is working as an oscillator. Take click here and take oscilloscope here, connect the terminal here. Just run. Here we only use channel A. Here channel A, channel C. So channel B, channel D. Only we need channel A. So stop channels B. This channel also off and this channel also off. Only channel A will be here. So you can up the value, down the value here. Just we take here and this is time scale. Thus this value here will close and this will be bigger. This will be close. You see, this is look around. It's not a pure sine wave, but this is like near about sine wave. So we can tell that it is working as an oscillator. This is our main purpose. So this is our circuit. If we use this type of capacitor, means real cap in our previous experiment, hopefully we can successful our simulation experiment. But I'm confused about this time. Whatever. So this is all about today. Next week we will meet again. And before I leave, one thing I want to tell you again. Why you are copying again and again? Some student regularly copying and sending me the same handwriting. I'm fed up about those. I already listed those names. If you cannot do the simulation part or you cannot have ability to write your own report, why you are continuing this course? Whatever, it's your matter. But it is very difficult to pass in my subject if you copying. So be careful. I'm warning you. You will not stop copying. And I will send all the name to the proctor office. They will take the necessary step for punishment. Even they can drop out from the semester. Okay. Uh, in this way, there is a Zoom meeting. You can share your problem in the Zoom meeting. Who have those who have problem, just join and share with me the problem. It is better. Okay. Thank you again.